Hey guys, welcome to tutorial number 5 of the materials lab, and today we're going to be showing you hardness testers. So we're going to start with the digital Rockwell hardness tester. This is probably the one you're going to use the most. So this is our digital Rockwell hardness tester, and on the screen you'll see the two types of units of measure that this machine measures in, and various properties for the actual test itself. You'll have the more important indenter and test force data, which will be either a diamond or a ballpoint. To the right, you'll see test force, and this will show you in the scale 150 kilograms. And this corresponds to the type of Rockwell hardness test you need to do. And we have a chart for that below the machine. So you look at which material you're about to test and see which test is appropriate for that material. Now, if you ever need to change the test force, there's a little knob on the right side which you can dial to the appropriate force. In this case, we're at 150. If we wanted to dial it, we can change it to 100. However, the machine will not automatically detect that you've changed the test force. So you need to click the Revy button, go into the menu, using the arrow keys, and select Scales. This will give you a chart of the different test force and the different indenters that you're going to be using. You select the appropriate selection, in this case 100 kilograms with a diamond indenter. You click OK. And this will change the parameters so that when you test it, all the values come out as they should. So I've quickly set it back to a type C, 150 kilograms of force, and we're going to test a sample, and I'm going to show you how this works. You need to put it onto the table and put it where you want to test the material. Then all you have to do is wind this up until it touches, and this you're going to have to pay attention to the screen for. There's a meter that monitors the progress of the force being applied. So you need to turn that meter until you hear a beep from the machine. When you hear that beep, you want to let go, and the machine will proceed to test it according to the parameters that you've put in. Now, once the test is done, you can use a function on the machine called print, which will allow you to print your results. The cool thing about this is that you can repeat your tests on the same sample or different samples. So I've just completed 3 tests on this sample. Once you're done your tests and you unwind it, you'll notice there's something called number on the screen. This shows you how many tests you've completed. In my case, 3. What you can do with this is press the print button. And pressing the print button will print a paper that shows you a min, max, and average of the 3 tests. And that's all there is to Rockwell hardness tester. Once you're done your test, simply wind it down and you're done.